You've probably seen those sleek Raiz ads popping up everywhere. But here's the burning question: is this revolutionary investing app exclusive to Maybank customers? Let's dive in and find out. Raiz has taken the investing world by storm, making it easier than ever for everyday people to start building wealth. Their roundup feature, where you automatically invest spare change from your purchases, has gained immense popularity. But with its close association with Maybank, many wonder if it's a benefit reserved for their customers. The short answer is no. Raiz is not exclusively for Maybank customers. While Maybank was an early partner and a significant driver of Raiz growth in Malaysia, the platform has evolved to be much more inclusive. Here's how. Open to all, you can sign up for Raiz regardless of your bank. Whether you bank with Maybank, CIMB, Public Bank, or any other institution, you can easily create a Raiz account and start investing. Diverse investment options. Raiz offers a variety of investment portfolios, catering to different risk appetites and investment goals. You can choose from globally diversified portfolios, socially responsible options, and even Sharia-compliant funds. User-friendly interface. The Raiz app is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible to both novice and experienced investors. So, what are the advantages of using Raiz? Micro-investing. The roundup feature makes investing effortless. You don't need to actively allocate funds. Raiz automatically invests the spare change from your purchases. This dollar-cost averaging strategy can help you build wealth over time. Accessibility. Raiz breaks down barriers to entry for many people. You can start investing with as little as Rm10, making it accessible to those with limited financial resources. Automation. Raiz automates many aspects of investing, saving you time and effort. You can set up recurring investments and adjust your investment strategy with a few taps on your phone. Education and resources. Raiz provides valuable educational resources to help you understand investing. You can access articles, videos, and calculators to learn about different investment strategies and make informed decisions. Raiz has democratized investing, making it accessible to a wider audience. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, Raiz offers a user-friendly platform to help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.